Hello and welcome to today's TenantCloud tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk or mass import both properties and contact information. From the main screen, you can go over to the Properties tab, and by default, it will select the Properties section of your TenantCloud account. And at this point, you can click on the Import button. From here, this is going to allow you to download an import file template. And once you download the import file template, you can fill it in with the necessary information for your property. And then you can choose the file once you have entered the information into the respective columns in the spreadsheet. And once you have selected the file, you'll then be able to import the file. And once you have imported the file, it is going to show you all of the fields with all of the data that you entered. We'll go ahead and X these out since I don't have any information for either of those. We'll click the next button where it's going to show you all of the errors. In this case, it is saying that that is not a valid address in the system. So I would go ahead and correct that here. Once you have corrected all of the data fields that are showing as errors on your dashboard here, you can click Complete Import, at which point it's going to have successfully imported all of the property information. From here, you can go back to the list of properties where you're going to see the property that was just imported right here. If you need to edit anything, you can simply click View and go in and click Actions and click Edit Property to edit any of the information that you may need to change or improve on the listing, as well as viewing and editing the specs, owner information, financials, and utility information on the property as well. In order to do a bulk import for contacts, it is much the same process. Simply go to the left side menu and select Tenants and select the bulk import feature, where again, you're going to have the opportunity to download an import file template, enter in all the fields, choose the file, import it, make any corrections, and import all of your contact information. And that is how easy it is to bulk or mass import both contact and property information into TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up for free today.